Hello everyone, welcome back again to SelfCAD channel with SelfCAD 3D modeling basic tutorial. Today I will create a triangle optical illusion. First we can create with 3D SCAD, and I will use a top view. We can create line start from this point. I will give length 135 with angle 360 degree. You can move to the top with length 150 and for angle 90 degree. Okay, I will create new profile. You can uncheck this profile, and I will create a rectangle object in here. With length in here I will set into 30, and for angle 90 degree you can move to drag here with width 30 and click. Okay, I will select these two objects, and then we can use follow path to convert into 3D models. You can click preview and you can click OK to apply. Now we already create these simple 3D models. You also can delete this profile, to profile, delete, and yes. Next I will use fill polygons to create polygons at this face. You can select this object and click fill polygons. Okay, we also can create a rectangle object at this face. You can use this 3D sketch, and then I will click rectangle command. We can start from this point, and you can move into here. Move into this point with width 30. Okay, and then I will use fill polygons. You can use a thickness in here. I will give thickness into 50. You can click preview and you can click OK. I will select a polygon option in here. Okay, you can select this face, and then I will use extrusion command. We extrude with amount of 55, and you can click OK to apply. So we already create this simple 3D models. Next we can create angle, 3D object angle with angle in here like 50. Okay, you can use this 3D SCAD command, and then I will use this line. You can click at this point, and we can move into this point with length like I will set into 50, and for angle I will set into 230. You can click, and then we can click at this corner. You can click in this point, close. Next we use fill polygons again, and then I will use this thickness to convert into 3D models. You can click preview, click apply, and then I will select a polygon option. You can select at this face. We use extrusion command, and you can click OK to apply. Now we can move this object. You can unselect this polygon option. Use the move command. We can move in blue axis into this point. You can select these two objects, and then I will use subtract command to subtract with these models. You can click in here to subtract. So you can click OK to apply. We also can delete this two profile, and you can click yes. Now we already create this simple triangle optical illusion. You can see if you move into this point, it will be like an illusion. Okay, triangle illusion. You also can change in here into orthographic projection. Okay, this for triangle illusion in SelfCAD software. You also can select this object. Okay, and then you can merge. Next we can click 3D print, and this for 3D print. Okay, you can use a slice in here to slice these models, and then we will create these models in a 3D print. Okay, this triangle optical illusion tutorial. Okay, enough today for SelfCAD 3D modeling basic tutorial how to create a triangle optical illusion. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video, and see you next time in another SelfCAD 3D modeling basic tutorial.